Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. This will open the token search page. In the search bar, type BNB. From the results, select BNB on the BNB network. You should now be on the BNB token page. To buy BNB, tap the Buy button. Next, enter the amount of BNB you want to purchase. You'll then see several payment options, such as credit or debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal. Choose the payment method that works best for you, then tap Continue. You'll be redirected to a cryptocurrency provider, where you'll review the price, fees, and payment details. Confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. Once the payment is successful, your BNB will be added to your Trust Wallet balance and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully bought BNB on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.